let's get into these sweet potato pies and how I made them. Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make some sweet potato. What you need for this is, of course, some sweet potatoes. You'll need some eggs, you'll need some condensed milk, some cinnamon, some carnation, some nutmeg, some allspice, some vanilla extract, and you will need some brown sugar and regular sugar. Oh, and I forgot to show, and you need a pie crust. I got me a 2 pie crust. So after you boil the potatoes, you just want to peel the skin off, take them off like this. I know you can probably peel them off before you boil them, but this would be much easier. However you do it, it really don't matter. So after you peeled all the skin off, you want to go ahead and blend this with a hand blender. You just want to make sure that it's all the way blended through before you start adding all your different spices and seasonings. So now that this is all blended through, we're going to come in and just put like a sprinkle of allspice. Not too much. You ain't got to be too heavy on it. And a little sprinkle of nutmeg. Like I said, not too heavy. You don't have to be too much heavy on it, you know what I'm saying? Like, just, you know, a little tab of allspice. The spices, you can really do it to your taste. And then you're going to go in with some vanilla extract. I'll say that's about 1.5 teaspoons. It just give it a good flavor. It balances out the cinnamon. So you go ahead and sprinkle your cinnamon in here. Now your cinnamon you can sprinkle in here to your liking. So if you like yours a lot of cinnamon, less cinnamon, that's totally up to you. But this is just the things that I put in my thing. So also we're going to put in some condensed milk, like just a little bit, because this is making 2 pies. And then you're going to pour in just a little bit of carnation. I know I got to get better with my measurements, but you go ahead and mix this all, blend this all together until it's well incorporated. Then we're going to come in with a cup of sugar. Then we're going to come in with a cup of brown sugar. Now, I like both sugars, but sometimes I put a little extra brown sugar. Then you're going to go in with your 2 eggs. I know you can whisk your eggs and then put it in there, or you could just put it in there like how I'm doing it and mix it all together. So that's just totally up to you. So we're going to go ahead and mix this all together. Now that this is all mixed together, you want to get out your thawed out pie crust and you just want to fill them in here. Now after I put mine in the pie crust, I use the back of the spoon like to smooth it out, because it will give the look for when it goes in the oven. It's going to look however it is at the top. So if I would have left it messy looking like that, that's how it came out. So I just do it like this. And you just put it in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. You're really just cooking this to let it settle in. And, you know, let it get brown and let the crust get brown. But this is how it came out, and it tasted so good. So let me know how you make your pies, but these pies were so good. Everyone loved them. Make sure you like, subscribe. See you.